Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cut and sew a female pencil trouser. So relax and watch to the end if this is what you are meaning to learn. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. To cut this female pencil trouser, you will need these 5 lines which I've already drew on my fabric. The first line is the waistline. I will place my tape on the fabric, leaving out 2 inches for the waistband. The second line is the hip line, which is 8. The third line is the crotch line, which is 10. Then the lap line. To cut the lap line, come down by 4 inches from the crotch line. To get the trouser length line, I will place my tape from the waistline just like this. So this is the length line plus 2 inches extra folding allowance. Mark the hip measurement on the crotch line and also mark the hip measurement on the waistline. Now I'm just going to connect the points. I will extend the crotch line by 2 inches. From the hip line to the crotch line, I will place my tape just like this, fold it in 2 and mark the middle. Now from the hip line to the marked points, I will make a curve. Now I'm going to mark the waist size, which is 34 plus 1 divided by 4 to get 9. Then connect it to the hip line. On the lap line, I will mark ½ inch. Then mark the lap size measurement, which is 22 plus 1 divided by 2 to get 11.5. I'm just going to connect the points. To get the midpoint on the length line, I will take the crotch measurement, which is 12, then fold my tape into 2 to mark the midpoint. Come to the length line, mark the crotch measurement, then fold the tape or divide by 2 and mark the midpoint. Connect the points. At this length line, I'm going to mark the ankle measurement. The original ankle measurement for a pencil trouser is 12, so I'm going to mark 12 plus 1 to get 13 divided by 2 to get 6.5. Then divide 6.5 by 2 to get 3.2. Now I'll place this 3.2 on the middle line and mark the 6.5. I'm going to connect the points with my free hand. I will clean this off, then cut the shape. This is the front piece of the trouser. Now to cut the back, this is another fabric folded in 2. I will place the front piece on it. Extend the crotch line by 2 inches. From the crotch line, come down by ½ inch. At this angle from the hip line to the crotch line, I will mark 2 inches. At the waistline, I will come in by 2 inches, then extend the length by 2 inches. Now I'm just going to connect the points. I will extend the waistline and mark the waist size measurement, which is 10. Connect the points just like this. From the lap line, trace the shape on the fabric. Come to this lap line and extend by 1.5 inch. At the length line, extend by 1 inch. Now I'm just going to connect the points and cut to shape. This is the front and back piece of the trouser. To get the waistband, I divided the waist size measurement by 2. Then I took 5 inches for the width. To cut the pocket hole, I will come in by 1.5 inches at the waistline. Then come down by 6 inches. Connect the points and cut out the shape. To cut the pocket, this is my fabric. So the length is 9 and the width is 8. For a deeper pocket, use 12 inch as the pocket length. I'm just going to place my fabric on the pocket, trace the pocket hole and cut the shape. Now to start sewing, I will sew the 2 flaps. I'm going to place the pocket and sew it straight. Now bring it in and sew on top. Fold it like this, then sew. After sewing, this is the pocket. Now at the waist of the back piece, I will mark and sew the dart line. Sew the flap, sew the sides, bring the band, notch the middle, pin it to the waist, sew straight. Fold it to the front and sew it on top. After sewing the waist, I left an opening at the front right of the trouser to sew the zip. So guys, after sewing the zip, that is all we have to do to cut and sew this female pencil trouser. Please like, subscribe, comment and share this video. I will see you in my next video.